Imagine a golden crust, a tender, savory interior, and a taste that screams comfort. This isn't just your regular cornbread, this is your ultimate epic cornbread experience. Come along with us as we unlock this savory skillet cornbread that you don't want to miss. Let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to take our self-rising yellow cornmeal mix. We're just going to level that and make sure that you preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and go ahead and lightly grease your cast iron skillet. And why do you want to use a cast iron skillet? Because a cast iron skillet helps form that iconic crust and that heat distribution that your cornbread needs. So that's why we use a cast iron skillet. Next, we're going to take our all-purpose flour, and we're going to add some sugar. And I know what you're saying, sugar doesn't belong in savory cornbread, but have a little bit. You don't want to put a lot because this isn't cake. We're going to use just 1 tablespoon of it just to help balance things out. And that's it, I promise. Let's add some salt. You can't go wrong with that. So we're going to put a little bit of baking powder. Let's give this a good old whisk. Okay, so we're going to melt 1/3 cup of butter, which I already have that melted right here. And we're going to use 1 cup of buttermilk, and this is full fat buttermilk. And we use the buttermilk because it helps give this cornbread that tang that we all like. Say it with me, that tang. And it also helps contribute to a tender crumb. We're also going to add an egg and some sour cream. And that will help with some moisture as well. And let's give this a good whisk. And we're just going to take our dry ingredients, mix this in with the wet ingredients. And also, we're going to put a little twist to it. We're going to add some bacon pieces and cheddar cheese. Oh, you guys are going to love this. We're going to add some cheddar cheese and just give this a good mix just until it's combined. And we did preheat our cast iron skillet for a good 10 minutes, and that will help give it a nice little crispy crust. And this is a 10-inch cast iron skillet. You just want to go ahead and just spread this evenly around because the batter will be thick. Okay, after you spread it, you're going to cook this in the oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, but you want to check it around the 15 mark. All right, and here it is, our nice savory cornbread, and this can be enjoyed for any time, even this upcoming Thanksgiving. If you would like to make this recipe to go with your Thanksgiving meal, then go right ahead. You're just going to kind of spread some butter on top if you would like. It's optional. And this cooked for about 20 minutes, but everybody's oven varies, so just check it around 15 and go from there. So it's about 15-20 minutes, but if you need extra time, then cook it for like an extra minute or 2. But you'll know if it's done if you check it with a toothpick. We're gonna go ahead and cut it a slice so we can show you all what it looks like. Okay, and here it is, a nice thick slice. You see the nice cheddar, it's the crispness to it. On the crust, you got bacon. Doesn't that look good? You can enjoy this with some honey. Honey tastes really good with this. And if this video was at all helpful to you, I ask that you go ahead and give us a thumbs up and press that like button. Also, comment down below, are you going to try this savory bacon cheddar cornbread? And don't forget to ring that notification bell and check out our latest video uploads.